Summer. You hear it, and your mind goes straight to sandy shores and poolside cocktails. But what if summer wasn't just about beaches? What if it meant standing on a glacier instead of a surfboard, sleeping under a desert sky instead of a cabana, or chasing waterfalls instead of waves? This isn't your typical summer getaway. We're taking you on a journey where the unexpected steals the spotlight. Get ready, because summer is about to get a serious upgrade. While most travelers are heading for the tropics, Patagonia is turning up the cool factor. Literally, colossal glaciers, sky blue lakes, and mountains so dramatic they look straight out of a fantasy novel. Hike across Los Glaciares National Park, paddle past floating icebergs, and come face to face with the mighty Perito Moreno Glacier. Patagonia isn't a vacation, it's an expedition. And trust us, this is one summer adventure you'll never forget. From icy wonderlands to fiery horizons, we're swapping glaciers for golden sands as we touch down in Jordan's mesmerizing desertscape. In Jordan, summer heat is not the enemy. It's the invitation. Step into Wadi Rum, a landscape so surreal NASA used it as a stand-in for Mars. Towering red cliffs, rolling dunes, and absolute silence make this place feel like another planet. By day, ride camels across golden sands. By night, sink into a Bedouin tent, sip mint tea, and watch a sky ablaze with stars. And when dawn breaks, explore Petra, the lost city carved into rose-red cliffs. It's not just a destination, it's a time machine. From desert sands to emerald fjords, we're escaping the heat and heading north to a land where summer comes with a side of serenity. Welcome to Norway. While beach towns overflow with tourists, Norway's fjords remain a sanctuary, a peace. Imagine this: cruising through towering cliffs, hiking to panoramic summits, and experiencing the midnight sun, where daylight stretches on forever. Kayak through Fjord's mirror-like waters, or take a train ride through lush valleys where waterfalls tumble from sky-high cliffs. This is summer at its most serene. No crowds, no rush, just pure, uninterrupted beauty. From still waters to volcanic landscapes, our next stop is where fire meets ice. Welcome to Iceland, a land of extremes. In Iceland, summer doesn't just bring warmth, it brings 24-hour adventure. Here, the sun barely sets, giving you endless daylight to explore geysers that shoot sky high, black sand beaches that stretch for miles, and waterfalls so powerful they leave you speechless. Trek across lava field, soak in the blue lagoon, and chase the golden glow of the midnight sun. This isn't just a summer escape, it's a wild, untamed dream. From volcanic landscapes to lush jungles, our next stop is a tropical paradise that's rewriting the rules of summer. Forget crowded beach resorts. Costa Rica's summer playground is hidden beneath a canopy of green. Here, adventure means ziplining through jumbo treetops, hiking past roaring waterfalls, and spotting sloths hanging lazily from branches. Raft down wild rivers, trek through cloud forests, and watch baby sea turtles hatch under the moonlight. This isn't just another summer destination, it's nature's masterpiece. Summer isn't just about the beach, it's about pushing boundaries, chasing adventure, and discovering the unexpected. Whether it's glaciers in Patagonia, desert nights in Jordan, fjord escapes in Norway, Iceland's wild landscapes, or Costa Rica's jungle thrills, there's a world of possibilities waiting beyond the shore. And at Liberty International Tourism Group, we turn those possibilities into reality. With a presence in 110+ destinations, we craft tailor-made journeys that go beyond the ordinary, seamless, immersive, and unforgettable. So where will your next summer adventure take you? Drop a comment below. Hit that like button if you enjoyed our tour, and don't forget to subscribe for more extraordinary travel content from Liberty International Tourism Group.